Once you're in your studio, you'll be taken to the flows page. This page would show you all the flows that you've created. They'd be listed here. If I'd had any, you'd see them, but since I don't, I'm going to go ahead and create my first flow. So clicking on this button will take you to the flow details page. This is where you get to name your flow. I'm going to call the one that we're creating here Quick Start Guide. And you can see that the URL slug is generated automatically based on what I'm typing into the display name. Optionally, you can choose to include a description. This might help in differentiation between flows, give a little bit more context as to what the flow does. I don't think I'll need one for mine, but make sure you use it as necessary. By clicking next, I'm taken to the content template section. Now, content templates are a way to download content into your flow right off the bat. You can see that we have a bunch of different templates. We have e-commerce personalization, a couple GAD7s, a net promoter score, some PHQ-9s. So there's plenty to work with here. Clicking on one will take you to a quick description of the template, and you can click on live preview to see what comes in that template. This doesn't download anything. This is just a preview. But you can see it has the 7 questions that would make up the GAD questionnaire, the Generalized Anxiety Disorder questionnaire. There's no styling applied to these templates. The styling is going to be left up to you. This is just a way to get the questions in. I'm going to go with blank. I'm going to be building my flow from scratch. But clicking next is going to take you to the pick a theme screen. Here's where you can pick some styling for your flow if you wanted to start off with some of the styles that FormSort already includes. Going down the list, you can see we have a bunch of different ones. No theme that you choose, you won't be tied to it. So if you decide that maybe you just like the colors of one of the themes and you want to start with that one to get those colors, and you can change the theme down the line. So don't feel any pressure to like choose one or not. You can always change it later. I'm going to go with our lightest theme. This one's called Light, and click Finish. Once you click Finish, you're taken into the main variant of my Quick Start Guide flow. If we go back one, you can see this is the Quick Start Guide flow that I'm in. We can set up integrations, analytics, and schemas, and it's already created one variant for me called main. Once you're inside your variant, you can start adding content. This is where you'd add your questions. Over here in the theme tab is where you'd start styling, so on and so forth. So that's how you create a flow.